Stop designing ads from scratch. Let AI craft winning creatives in seconds. Click to open AI Ads Generator. First, select your brand. The moment you do, your logo, brand colors, and fonts load automatically. No more hunting for hex codes. Now enter your campaign topic. Tell AI what you're promoting. Could be a product launch, a sale, a new service, whatever you're running. Pick your aspect ratio. Choose how many variations you want. Next, select your business objective. Brand awareness? Website traffic? Conversions? This helps AI tailor the messaging and design to match your goal. Now here's where it gets good. You have two paths. Create new ads. AI generates fresh concepts from scratch. Or clone winning ads. Feed it a competitor's ad or your own top performer, and AI analyzes, then recreates that magic with your brand. Hit generate. Watch AI craft your ads in real time. Alright, AI is working. And just like that, multiple ad variations, ready to review. Different headlines, different visuals, different copy angles. All on brand, all aligned to your objective. This is what used to take a designer hours, or an agency days. Now you've got options in seconds. Found the ones you like? Select them. No downloading, no switching tabs, no manual uploads. One click, push directly to your Meta Ads library, from idea to live campaign, without leaving Simplified. This is how modern marketers move. Try it today.